Bitcoin cash value equivalent to $601.41 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $588.56, $604.88. The earlier day close, $597.85. The change was plus 356, plus 0.60%. Converse rate, US to BCH. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for June 2024. In the first place, cost at 110 coins. Exorbitant costs on 110, while lows on 89. The found the middle value of cost on 101. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's end 0.95, change for June 13 6%. US to BCH expectation for July 2024. First and foremost, cost at 0.95 coins. Exorbitant costs on 113, while lows 195. The found the middle value of cost on 102. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's end 105, change for July 10 5%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash estimate for August 2024. Before all else, cost at 105 coins. Excessive costs 105, while lows 185. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 97. The US to BCH figure toward the month's end 91, change for August 13 3%. US to BCH expectation for September 2024. Before all else, cost at 0.91 coins. Excessive costs 0.95, while lows 0.83. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 0.90. The US to BCH conjectured toward the month's end 0.89, change for September 2%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash conjecture for October 2024. At the outset, cost at 0.89 coins. Excessive costs 0.91, while lows on 79. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 86. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's end on 85, change for October 5%. US to BCH expectation for November 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.85 coins. Exorbitant costs on 85, while lows in 70. The found the middle value of cost on 79. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's end on 75, change for November 8%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for December 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.75 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.78, while lows on 67. The found the middle value of cost 0.73. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's end 0.72, change for December 4%. US to BCH expectation for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.72 coins. Exorbitant costs 75, while lows in 65. The found the middle value of cost 0.70. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends 69, change for January 2%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash estimate for February 2025. To start with, cost at 0.69 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.69, while lows in 56. The found the middle value of cost 0.64. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's end 0.60, change for February 13%. US to BCH expectation for Walk 2025. To start with, cost at 0.60 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.64, while lows in 55. The found the middle value of cost 0.60. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's end 0.59, change for spring 17%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash estimate for April 2025. To start with, cost at 0.59 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.63, while lows on 55. The found the middle value of cost 0.59. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's end 0.59, change for April 0%. US to BCH expectation for May 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.59 coins. Excessive costs on 62, while lows are in 54. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.58. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends end 58, change for May 7%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash conjecture for June 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.58 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.62, while lows on 54. The found the middle value of cost on 58. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 57, change for June 7%. US to BCH expectation for July 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.57 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.57, while lows in 46. The found the middle value of cost on 53. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends in 50, change for July 3%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for August 2025. First and foremost, cost at 0.50 coins. Exorbitant costs 63, while low zone 50. The found the middle value of cost 55. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends in 58, change for August 16%. US to BCH expectation for September 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.58 coins. Exorbitant costs are 64, while low zone 55. They found the middle value of cost zone 59. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's end zone 59, change for September 17%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for October 2025. To start with cost at 0.59 coins. Exorbitant costs are 66, while low zone 58. They found the middle value of cost 61. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends or 62, change for October 1%. US to BCH expectation for November 2025. At the outset cost at 0.62 coins. Excessive costs on 64, while lows on 55. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 60. The US to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends of 59, change for November 8%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash conjecture for December 2025. Initially cost at 0.59 coins. Exorbitant costs for 76, while low zone 59. They found the middle value of cost on 66. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends 71, change for December 20%. US to BCH expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at 0.71 coins. Exorbitant costs are 71, while lows are 57. They found the middle value of cost 65. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's end 61, change for January 1%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for February 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.61 coins. Exorbitant costs are 78, while lows are 61. They found the middle value of cost 68. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's ends 72, change for February 18%. US to BCH expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.72 coins. Exorbitant costs are 93, while lows on 72. They found the middle value of cost on 81. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends on 86, change for spring 19.4%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash estimate for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.86 coins. Exorbitant costs on 110, while lows on 86. They found the middle value of cost on 96. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's ends on 103, change for April 19.8%. US to BCH expectation for May 2026. In the first place, cost at 103 coins. Exorbitant costs on 103, while lows on 85. They found the middle value